Hello people, welcome once again to my channel. Today I want to make just a simple thing. I want to make noodles for my kids, and I'm going to be doing it my own way. Eating noodle is okay, but don't just eat noodle like that. Make sure you garnish it with some vegetables so that it will help the kids with their guts and nutrition as well. So I already have my water boiling. I'm going to be adding one bay leaf into it. Don't mind me, I love bay leaf a lot. I'm going to be putting the noodles. So I'm going to be adding a little sea salt, teaspoon of oil. If you have butter, you could use butter. I'm using oil. So it's time to remove it. You just add a tablespoonful of oil. If you have butter, you use butter. Sometimes I use mayonnaise. Then I add my onion. Half teaspoon of mayonnaise. Like I said in all my cookings, I just love mayonnaise, and I use this carb-free mayonnaise. It's zero carbs mayonnaise. Then I add my other vegetables. Then I'm going to be using just one noodle spice. I'm going to be using just one. I have 5 packs, but I'm going to be using just one because I've already added salt to it. I have my coriander powder, rosemary, just few pieces. So I'm going to add just little water, and then I'll increase the heat because I'm going to add the indomie right now. So we're taking it down. It is ready. It's well dried, so we're taking it right down. Simple vegetable noodles. Try it. Food is ready. Come and join us at the table. Address in the description box. Bye.